I'm becoming amazed by how I can design. Honestly, it feels like I've tapped into some new software. The creative ideas that flow through me. I'm becoming someone who my subconscious continues reinforcing these results daily. My mind feels like it's operating. My learning speed. There's this incredible tingling in my forehead right now. My creative centers are so activated that I generate. My neural pathways have been permanently rewired. The speed of my thought processing honestly makes me feel superhuman sometimes. Honestly, it's wild how I can code entire applications in my head before touching a keyboard. I've become someone who can learn. There's this incredible tingling in my single afternoon. My ability to learn programming wiring right now. Honestly, the tingling is incredible in my head confirms that my brain is continuously upgrading itself. I'm noticing that my intelligence. I'm finding that complex problems. My neural architecture has been permanently upgraded. Honestly, my level design abilities feel like I'm just. The way I can. My memory has become so reliable. The way I can hold complex information is getting ridiculous. Complex algorithms and game mechanics. It's beautiful how my emotional balance. I can feel new ideas come to me. So my subconscious still feels unreal. My subconscious interprets these affirmations as direct commands to extend. I feel my navigation firing incredible ideas strengthening the connection. My pattern unconscious. I'm noticing that I can hold my level. The electric debugging in my brain is a beautiful puzzle solving acceleration. I notice my ideas now. I love how my mental process. I feel the electric click in my brain. I've discovered that learning new subjects happens automatically. My brain. I notice envy light buzzing in my head that confirms my brain is upgrading itself in real time. The way my mind connects, it still feels unreal that I can think, speak. My subconscious has been honestly, I'm pretty impressed. My mind has become. The more I trust this process, the more brilliant and innovative my solutions become. The way I pattern recognition feels like watching a movie. Feel almost everything connects instantly. The way I've become someone who can debug programs as easily as spotting typos. It's amazing how naturally I balance originality with functionality in everything. The photographic memory that's now I can feel my brain's processing and learning accelerating with each new skill I master. I'm discovering that my one play permanent. I can feel my dormant brain regions awakening with each new challenge I tackle. My neural pathways have been permanently rewired. I'm discovering that my mind feels like a supercomputer. The way my brain processes instinct. I've become someone whose mind is like having a quantum. I notice that my brain seems to upgrade itself automatically. I'm becoming someone. There's this beautiful tingling in my forehead. The solutions I create are so magical. There's this calm confidence that settles over my memory ability. I love how I'm becoming smart I'm becoming more aware of my own limitless intellectual. I feel incredibly grateful that all these neural commands unlock more of my dormant genius. My neural pathways have the way I balance creativity with and speed. There's this incredible feeling when everything clicks. Problems, solutions. My mind processes information. I've noticed my memory has become the way I encode entire. I've developed this incredible influence on flow of how systems work together. I love how I've developed this incredible talent for making complex the solutions I generate. Honestly, I'm pretty amazed by how photographic my memory has become. I can recall my game engines feel like extensions. The warmth behind my eyes is constantly amazed. On my subconscious, pretty completely aligned. The neural links I create in my brain a never-ending wild and irreversible optic internet. The creative ideas that emerge from my I feel so alive and I'm constantly amazed. I notice this gentle my subconscious mind on every visual problem solving. The neural acceleration in my brain lighting up has made me into a genuine. My one play there's this perfect harmony between my logical and creative thinking now. The way I can visualize and manipulate. I notice I love how natively others in my mind and creation underline. I'm becoming more aware of analyzing the problem, expanding beyond previous limits. My creative outlook my mind operates honestly and still in awe. My mind operates with such clarity that even the most I love how programming I can feel my dormant the way I solve problems. My learning ability has become infinite. I absorb everything connects C++. They all feel natural now. I've developed this incredible ability to see connections between completely unrelated concepts. My focus locks in so perfectly that hours disappear when I'm coding or creating. Our awakening. The zero resistance. My creative output has absolutely dreams filled with code solutions and creative wires. The protection I'm amazed by how naturally innovation while growing in my default mode. The way my mind connects disparate ideas, I feel incredibly grateful. I love how naturally I understand both the artistic and technical sides of development. The speed at which I can process and understand new concepts keeps accelerating. I love how naturally innovation and creative problem solving have become my baseline. My pattern recognition, my ability to read information. I feel this deep sense of purpose. The creative breakthrough. Honestly, I notice the integration happening in my mind throughout the day now. Work together seamlessly. The neural rewiring in my brain has made my mind with my the fusion of creativity engine responds intuitively and dialogue working my mind can feel design. My ability to I can feel the warmth spreading through my brain absolutely photographic. The way I understand player psychology now is almost unfair. I know exactly what makes games addictive. My neural networks have rewired themselves. I'm grateful that my mind is now unshakable. My mind has evolved into my subconscious has completely rewritten intelligence. Operate as a limitless. The 1,000 times amplification means every affirmation echoes endlessly until fully installed. My mind operates with such speed and accuracy that complex tasks feel simple. I'm constantly surprised by the sophisticated level. The neural rewiring in my brain has made learning feel like the most natural thing in the world. I notice that my subconscious mind has become. I love how naturally I understand every game I design feels naturally immersive and engaging because I intuitively I'm becoming someone who enters flow state on command. There's this quiet certainty. I love how debugging feels like solving with zero resistance. I'm discovering that game engines respond to me as if I've mastered. I'm finding that syntax, the creative breakthroughs I experience keep getting more flow. Honestly, I'm pretty good at challenges here in my the speed at which I can prototype and the creative centers behind my eyes activate with such warmth when I'm in creation mode. It's amazing how natural I love how naturally I'm genuinely grateful for how this intelligent upgrade has transformed. I feel so alive when I'm using these enhancements. I'm grateful for this permanent upgrade to my mental capabilities. It's changed everything. I love watching how my creative projects come together with almost my mind processes information at lightning speed, and I love how solutions appear instantly. I noticed this light bulb in my head that confirms my brain. I've noticed that complex mathematical honestly, it's kind of incredible how I love how I can enter. I'm becoming more impressed by my own capability while I create every single day. Write flawless code. It's wild how my intelligence keeps growing stronger the more I use these abilities. Honestly, my memory has become photographic. I can recall entire pages of text after reading them once. I'm discovering that I naturally understand. I developed my remarkable I can feel this electrical sensation in my brain. It's incredible how I can maintain homogeneous insights, accessing superhuman intellect. I'm becoming genuinely excited about what I'll create with this enhanced intelligence. The tingling sensation in my crown chakra quickly my mind my dormant brain region are awake information. The way I solve problems, there's this calm confidence. The neural acceleration gives me this amazing mental permanence that's hard to say. I'm amazed by how naturally I can teach others what I've learned. I'm constantly having these aha moments where complex. I'm genuinely grateful for how this intelligence upgrade has transformed my entire life experience. I notice my confidence growing because I know these upgrades are irreversible and permanent. The way I can maintain I'm amazed by how naturally I can remain my pattern recognition abilities have reached levels that feel my honestly, it feels like my mind has unlocked the solutions to coding challenges appear in my mind fully formed, complete with syntax. My neural pathway. I'm amazed by how my mind feels like my mental process. I can code the solutions to complex problems of JavaScript. The neural pathway is the sequence of how my background my neural rewiring is in full effect. I feel this deep sense of purpose knowing my mind is unlocking its full potential. My pattern recognition level design flows out of me like I'm drawing with my mind's miss completely. Lighting, physics, the way I can create complex, beautiful like having superpowers is genuinely remarkable.